Hello everyone. How many of you want to have a happier and healthier life? I bet everyone just nodded their head with a yes. But finding the recipe for a healthier and happier life can be a little tricky. But guess what? Today I'm going to share that secret recipe with you all that can help you pave way for a healthier, happier and a positive life. So, the secret recipe that I'm going to share with you is called gratitude sandwich. And no, we are neither asking you to make a sandwich and nor are we asking you to maintain a gratitude journal. Instead, it's a midway that you can follow. And the best part is that you require minimum stationery for this purpose. You can go for one pen or maybe 2-3 colorful pens, and you can make it in your daily diary, or you can take a small colorful piece of paper and draw your gratitude sandwich on it. The choice is completely yours, whether you want to go all fancy or make it with the minimal stationery and efforts. A typical gratitude sandwich comprises of 3 layers. First bread, layering or stuffing, and the last bread. Well, the plus point is that you are free to choose your own bread. Like, I'm going to go for multigrain bread because it is healthy. Well, I'm just kidding. You can literally choose any form of bread, be it a triangle sandwich, square sandwich, or a rectangle sandwich. I'm going to draw a sample gratitude sandwich here for you. And as I said earlier, you can choose your own sandwich whichever way you like it. I'm going to quickly draw it for you. This is the first bread. I'll be labeling it later. This is the layer, the stuffing layer that we talked about. And this is the final bread. This becomes the third layer. So you can see there are 3 layers of my gratitude bread, and I'm even going to label it. Gratitude sandwich. Here it is. So now what you have to do is, well, you really don't have to be this fancy if you don't have enough stationery colors or anything. As I said earlier, you can also work with a single pen or maybe 2 pens. That's completely your call. Or you can even go for a plain paper if you don't have a colorful paper. Now let us understand what labeling has to be done for each layer of the bread. Starting with the first layer. Now this layer, the first bread, is actually what you are thankful of in your life. It can be something very major or very trivial. The choice is yours. So I'm going to write here, I am grateful to have a supportive family. Now coming to our second layer. Now for this layer you have to write things that are bothering you, like one thing that is bothering you in your current life. So I'm going to write here that I am facing trouble in following my diet plan. And trust me, when you don't follow your diet plan, like at least for me, it stresses me out. So this was the second layer. Now we'll come to the third layer. Any guesses what the third layer will comprise of? Well, let me answer it for you. It again talk about something positive that is there in your life. And I'm again going to write it with a green pen. So yes. Now I'm writing something very small here. And this is that I am grateful to find my unicorn pen this week. Yes, actually while I was decluttering my room, I was able to find this pen of mine which was ideally lost for me. So this is something very small, but I was grateful because I'm a big time stationery lover. So yeah, cutting it short, this is how a gratitude sandwich will look like. It comprises of 3 layers. First is our first bread that talks about something you're grateful for, like I'm grateful to have a supportive family. Second is the mid layer that is troubling you. And the third is another grateful thing in your life. Now, again, it can be something very small or something very major, but the main focus here is that you should be grateful for it in your life. And tada! Our gratitude sandwich is ready. Now you're all set to munch on a dose of positivity each day of your life. You can change it weekly or even on daily basis. Just make sure that you place it somewhere that you can constantly view it, say it aloud, and remind yourself that despite one thing is bothering in your life, there are various other things to be happy and grateful about. And the bonus point here is that this gratitude sandwich works effectively for kids as well as adults. And unlike a typical gratitude journal, here you don't have to work very intensively to maintain your gratitude. In fact, you can use it for a week or you can change it day wise as well. So making it very easy for you to work with, and because it has so many colors and creativity, your happiness is going to boost up automatically. And with this, our secret recipe of a positive, healthier and happier life is ready. Do try it for yourself. Oh, and if you're wondering what are the benefits associated with this gratitude sandwich, don't pause the video or leave the video. Just keep watching because next we are coming up with the benefits of gratitude sandwich. Here are some of the key benefits that are associated with gratitude sandwich. It releases oxytocin, that is also known as the feel-good hormone in your body. It boosts your physical and mental health. It enhances empathy and reduces aggression. It also improves your sleep. It is found to uplift your self-esteem. Along with this, it makes you feel happier altogether. So, do try it for yourself and let us know how well did this gratitude sandwich worked for you. For more such positive and mental wellness content, visit our website. And if you like the video, do give it a thumbs up.